Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, delivery 2019 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 7174. It's run from the 50,017 to the 2022. There's the M9R 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, big CVT with a bit of transmission. That's the M9R 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke manual steering wheel, instrument cluster.